everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a just absolutely stunning 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Beautiful car, guys. Very good, real different look. I love the matte bronze striping with the matte bronze wheels. Just different, man. Car sits good. It's got slick Tuxedo black paint on it. Recent body up restoration. There's not very miles on this car at all. Good, solid, straight Tennessee body. It is a factory 2L 4-speed car. And it is pretty. Cowl hood. This car's just got eyes, man. I mean, it just jumps out at you. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Paint slick. Chrome and stainless is really nice. Saw a couple little blemishes when you walk around it. Front spoiler. That car's just got a really good look to it. Glass is nice. I mean, you can see they've spent some money on this car. Man, there is nothing prettier than a black vehicle, man. It's just slick. Rear deck spoiler. Again, all new chrome and stainless. Look how slick that thing is down the sides. I think those were 18 and 20 inch American racing wheels. It's got Nitto rubber all the way around it. That is a good looking car right there. Love the bronze finish on the wheels. Just gives it a real different look. Sits good. They've got it lowered down. Front disc brakes. Super slick paint. Nothing crazy, a little cam and a 350, 4-barrel aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds, and you can see, I mean, it doesn't look like there's any miles on this thing. Finned aluminum valve covers, chrome air cleaner, it's power steering, power front disc brakes, new aluminum radiator. Again, it is a factory 4-speed car, HEI distributor. Detailed up, really nice. I mean, look at the bolt. I mean, this car looks fresh. Just killer. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys, so make sure you're keeping track of that website, our social media. Try to do the best I can about keeping all that stuff. A little wax on there, guys, that'll come off. This stuff's all new. I mean, this is original, but it's really nice. New door handles, new door rubbers, new fuzzies, or window fuzzies. Door skins are clean. Looks like it's got all new interior. I mean, this car is slick. Bucket seats, got the custom pistol grip shifter in there. Sports steering wheel, showing 18,000 miles. I'm sure that's 118. Parking brake works, radio delete car, padded dash. It's got a 10 bolt 373 limited slip rear end in it with a monoleaf rear suspension. Really nice. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Good looking car. I think I've got 3 black Camaros right now. I can't see that often. That's the way stuff is. Stuff runs in kind of cycles. It's got a new fuel tank underneath, clean as can be. Like I say, always pictures available on our website underneath of the cars. You can always find something. It's funny, I was looking at a car this weekend, and a guy watched this past weekend, I should say, had watched our videos, and he said, "You're right, you can always find something." Doesn't matter how much you spend or how fresh the resto is. It's a nice car, man. Really pretty car. All brand new padded seats and everything. This little cam to it, nothing crazy. Rocks too, man. Gets through the program pretty good. Nothing crazy, punk gas. Love that cowl hood. This car's just got a real good look to it. Nice little load to the cam. Not much for gauges, really just a fuel gauge. Parking brake does work. Doors open and close, really nice. No radio. I didn't turn the blower motor on. Did you turn it on, Nitto? It does not. Let Steve take a peek at it. See if it's something a lot of times that just have never been used. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.